Hello and welcome to BC Workshops. This session is specially there to help out the BC Workshops conductor. That could as well be me or someone else from our organization. This person is now standing in your room and he's trying to demonstrate some experiments on static electricity. But what exactly is happening? None of his experiments are working out, and that's why I thought I will demonstrate the experiments right here in my controlled environment. The reason that those experiments are not working out in the room or the environment that you are right now present in is because of this small thing called humidity, which is amply present in the summers in India. So because of humidity, what happens, any charge that is generated either on the balloon or anything else, it's easily captured by the moisture of the air. So let me demonstrate what he was trying to do. This experiment is called balloon and paper and balloon. The idea is very simple. We'll charge the balloon, and the balloon will be charged negatively with all the electrons on its surface, and then we'll bring it closer to these paper particles, and these paper or small strips of paper, would get attracted. Let's see how it's going to happen. I'm gonna take this balloon, charge it either on my human skin or my hair. Both of them have a tendency to lose electrons very easily and get positively charged, and that's why you see some people having these standing hairs like layer 7 up. That's the reason why they are standing. So let me do this. This is a balloon, no trick behind it, a simple balloon. Let me charge it by rubbing it on my hair. Okay, alright, enough of rubbing. I'm gonna now take it down close to the paper and see what's happening. Look at that. Yeah, these particles are all on top. Can you see that? Right? Okay. Alright, so what we saw very recently was that this balloon, which is charged up because of all the electrons that it took from my hair, it has a lot of electrons on its surface. It gets closer to these pieces of paper, and they get attracted because of the opposites attract each other. This trick, or rather this concept, is applicable in so many things. You can use it to really impress upon all your family, all your friends of how these simple things work. Let me just do a very simple experiment based on a similar concept. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another balloon, because this balloon friend of mine has already overused. So I'll use this particular balloon, and I'm gonna use this Coke can. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna rub this balloon again, and let's see if there is any attraction between the Coke can and my balloon. Let's see. Let's just focus on that. Let me just charge up this balloon. Really interesting. I'm not gonna put this balloon in an electric socket. I'm just going to charge it by rubbing it on my hair, and let's see what happens here. Ooh, did you notice that? Do you notice that? Isn't that interesting? Oh, it might get down. Come. Yes, there are no threads. It's just a charged balloon. See? Isn't it interesting? The idea is the same. The idea is we rub the balloon on our hair. All the electrons from our hair get transferred and cling on to the balloon surface. So now balloon is negatively charged. When we bring it closer to this can, it just attracts it. And believe me or not, you can really use this trick in many other things. Let me try out the next one. The next one is very interesting. We call it dancing water, and I'll have to prepare for that. The idea is I'm gonna create a small tap of water, and how I am going to do that is very, very interesting. I'm going to pour some water in this, and there is a hole in the bottom of this bottle, and the water can come out of that hole. So as you see, it has started doing that. So let me just fill that water completely in this water. Okay, so this has to be done very fast. Let's see. I'm using this balloon, charging it with my hair, and notice what happens to the water stream. Oh, did you notice that? No trick? Yeah, I can make this water dance, right? It's again the same trick. The trick is the balloon gets charged, and it's charged with so many electrons, and it just attracts the stream of water, right?